Welcome to Driving 360 Purpose. My name is Lindy Sherris, and in today's video I am going to show you how to put alerts in Luno. So why would you need alerts? We need alerts to know when Bitcoin goes down. Remember, I said to you, we are not buying any cryptocurrency because the price of Bitcoin is up there. We need the price to go down because remember, Bitcoin is the big brother of cryptocurrencies, and we need it to come down because when it comes down, all the other cryptocurrencies will be cheap. So I am going to show you in Luno how to set an alert so that when it comes down, we know when to buy. My previous alert, I did set it up so that it lets me know when the price go down. But right now, we're from the bull market and we are slowly going to bear market, and we need to trace so that when it gets to the lower price, we'll be able to buy. Before I show you how to do it, let me just do this quick announcement. I do have a course that will teach you 12 ways to make money, and all you have to do, you just go to my bio, you will find a link, and that will take you to the course. It is affordable, guys, for everyone to be able to learn different ways of making money. So now let's go to my laptop so I can show you. So sometime last year, I did set an alert. So every time I'll get an email like this. So the alert was, let me know when the price goes above 2 million. So which is around $115,000. So you will get an email like that, and it will let you know every time the price goes up. So it can do this multiple times a day, sometimes once a week, sometimes even once a month. So you will get these alerts. So we are going to set similar alerts. Now that we're on bull run, we need to set alerts. So you go to your settings and then you go to price alerts. And then as you can see, I already had. So I'm just going to create an alert on Bitcoin. So every time the price is less than, then you specify the amount so that when it goes down, you would know when to buy your cryptocurrencies. Remember, when Bitcoin goes down, the prices of all the cryptocurrencies will go down. So I'm just going to start with 1,500,000 Rand. This is in South African rands. You can go to CoinGecko, do a conversion to US dollar, and then I would click create an alert. So I do want to be alerted as well when it goes below 1 million Rand. So I am going to set another one. So this one is set when the price goes down, it is active. So I will get an email. So lucky enough, I'm not going to get the one for 2 million anymore because I know we will need to go down. So around 2026 to 2027, the price will go down, and then that's when we'll buy our crypto, most of our cryptos. So now let's set another one for 1 million. So when it gets to 1 million, then I know I need to start buying because the price will be cheap. And remember, we buy when the price is low, and then so that when it goes up, we can make profits, guys. So that's how this market works. Buy when it's low, sell when it's high. So I'm just going to set another one for 800,000 because, that's the last one. If the price gets there, then I'll be able. So I hope you now know how to set alerts. You can do this for any other cryptocurrencies.